Got another one for you. This is a 1968 Buick Skylark GS 400. Really neat car. Had a frame off restoration done. It's got a 400 4-barrel engine in it. Really cool body style. You gotta like this rear end here. Very sleek. Anyways, I'm gonna show you around and we're gonna fire her up. Always starts real nice and easy. And this car is a power window car, which is pretty cool. A little slow there in the back, but they get the job done. Nice and easy. That one goes up pretty quick. Driver's side. Pretty quick. Wiper switch. Couple auxiliary gauges.
So yeah, and the Joker, you know, I just remember this.
Oh, horn does work. Just on this side. And the AC in this car does also work. Compressor just cycled on there. And put it all the way down to cold. See, it's moving right there. Got AC selected. AC compressor cycling. Really smooth running engine, very powerful. Lots of fun to drive. It's got power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. Really neat and clean engine bay. You can tell they had all this apart when they restored it. This car is also complete with a restoration book full of photographs of the restoration. Gotta love this hood here with the trim that comes back. Alright guys, if you're interested in this car, please make sure to go to our website. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution photos, including those of the undercarriage. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks.